Good morning, this is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Thursday, the 25th of September. My disclaimer, it is for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing, learn from it, transfer it to your own charts, and I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right, Bitcoin is not behaving. We did actually reach the possible near-miss target on the RSI 14 buy signal, but we didn't get the rally back into, well, I don't know, actually, we're not that far away. We didn't get the full rally back into the daily middle band test that I was looking for, but we got pretty close. But we didn't get quite as far as I was expecting to. And the little double bottom here obviously broke up and failed. On the others, we didn't do as well. Solana has broken down directly. The RSI 14 buy signal is still fixed, but we're now breaking down towards this rising support trend line. I've got that in about the 194 area. Does this change the obvious target area? No, it doesn't. Obviously, we've made the initial level top target, but the bigger picture target that I was pointing out at the confluence here in 180, in the 180 area. I was thinking we'd do a rally and then we'd go down there, but actually we may just go down there directly. I think what's happening is that now that equities have finally joined the party and started retracing, it's dragging down crypto with it. So I was robbed of the rally that I thought we would get back to the middle bands on all of them on the dailies. The bigger picture charts do not change. The main support here on Solana is at the weekly middle band, 180.20, supported by the 50-week moving average of 181.21. This is very good support, and I'm leaning towards that being tested if we get more downside on equities, and I'm leaning towards it holding. On the daily chart, you can see we've broken below the 50 DMA. We're getting pretty close to the monthly pivot at 191.47, but that's only the monthly pivot for a few more days, of course. Just below, I would note that 180 target, we've also got the annual pivot at 177.43, and that has been a decent support area before in August. So I'm liking that support when we get there, and I'm thinking it's a buy when we get there. All right, looking at Ethereum. Ethereum has gone lower as well. In terms of the pattern, we've got a pretty obvious target there because we've got an open target down here, head and shoulder target in the 3,500 area, and of course that is a match with the obvious support there, which is at the weekly middle band, currently at 34.63. I like that. I like it a lot. And it's a really, really attractive target. Do we have any other levels around there? Not really. You've got the annual pivot down at 31.77, but I think we've got a pretty good shot at 3,500 holding if we get there. And if we do get there, then I think on the daily chart, where the weak RSI 14 sell signal is now reaching the possible near-miss target, I think we've got a shot at getting potential buy signals here, which would be nice to see, but are rarer than sell signals lately on crypto during this bull market. We will see how that goes, but I'm a bit disappointed we didn't get more of a rally on Solana and Ethereum. But you know, hey, we're seeing some significant retracements now on equities. I think we are likely to go lower, and it's likely to drag crypto down with it. Overall, do I still think this is likely a bull flag forming? Yes, on both equities and crypto. I'm not seeing any evidence to suggest that isn't the case. We will see. Bitcoin on the weekly chart, I would note that we still got an RSI 5 sell signal here. It's reached a possible near-miss target. On this move, it may well reach the full one. At the moment, we are breaking below the weekly middle band. If we get a strong break below it, that opens the downside, and that opens the wave C of the bull flag ABC move that I was talking about on Bitcoin. So I'm liking that. We shall see how it goes. All right, great. Let's have a quick look at questions, of which we have none. Everyone take care. I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning.